Yo. Oh, boss. Yo. Amazolo angaka. Nasiyovesha phezulu manje. Yo. Ngelethize bafethu, ngelethize. Yo madoda. Musani madoda ukusibukelela bafethu sikhuleka sodwa. Namhlanje ntambama zonke insizwa ayikhuphuke la entabeni. Niyazingela nina thina kubhizi kanje. Haw. Okay. Sizokhuleka bafowethu, sizokhuleka. Eish. Hayi beyabanda bo, ha. Sizokhuleka bafowethu la entabeni. Sizokhuleka singenile izolo bayajabula kubhizi besho dali besho oh yeah. Wendaba ezitha abantu ebusuku bebesho oh yeah, oh this is beautiful. Laba balekha ngisho laba abangazile la entabeni abangazi ukuthi silele entabeni kuba nisikhulekele bakwethu, siyabonga prayer ngesilendabandaba. Yes, let's pray bafowethu. Asimbize uNkulunkulu, asimbize lo owadala okuhle, simbize lo ohlala eseke okuhle ngaso sonke isikhathi. Abantu sebaqoma ipolitiki kwaba yiye enkulu kunayo yonke into ekhona emhlabeni. Abazi abantu ukuthi umkhuleko uyayishintsha izinto. Njengoba sikhuphukele entabeni singamadoda sizobulala umoya omubi ukuthi abantu bengabulalani, sizobulala umoya omubi ukuthi abantu bengantshontshi, sizomemeza uNkulunkulu sithi akabe ingxenye yethu kulokhu kulwa kwethu sibulwayo obulwelizwe. Okuthatha kancane zonke lezi zinto esizenzayo thina sizenza ngomkhuleko. Akukho lapha engena sizwa khona si promoter ubutha noma sake nasizwa promoter nemithi. Kodwa sihlale sikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu ngoba ukhona uNkulunkulu. Yabo. So sizoyinqoba lento bafethu. Siyazi ukuthi uhulumeni uhlele ukulwa nathi uhlelo ukulwa nathi singabantu base South African singabantu base South Africa esikhundleni sokuthi afune ukulungisa inkinga. Mina ngiyacela ukupha nje abaholi sexwayiso. Nginikeza abaholi sexwayiso. Bafowethu, baholi. Abantu sekufika isikhathi la khona abantu angeke nisabaphatha khona ngenkani. Nizoyidlalela ngawo nje amavolontiya lawo njengoba kuzinketho niwachaphaze, niwathenge lo drink, niwathenge lo beer. Kodwa abantu nje abathandizwe akuselula ukuthi nigange ngabo. Yabo. Nali ilanga liphumela kithi. Nali. Mhlambe uma umuntu nje awazi ukuthi kusho ukuthini lokho. Ukuthi inhlamvu elanga mayiphuma into yokuqala ezoyithinta kube uwena njengomuntu. uNkulunkulu uzosizwa thina. uNkulunkulu uzosizwa uNkulunkulu uyalalela. Uzosizwa uNkulunkulu. Uzosixazululela lenkinga esibhekene nayo ukuthi sibe nabaholi abaphilela ukusesabisa. Esikhundleni sokuthi balungise inkinga abaholi baphilela ukusesabisa. Bafuna ukusabisa ama-South Africans. Umholi onjani othephethe abantu uma ngabe kucelwa kukhulunywa ngeinkinga zezwe umholi uma ethola nje ipodium asabisa abantu? Why umholi engakhulumi ngeenkinga ephethe abantu? La eSouth Africa masingathatha isinqumo sonke nje, sithathe nje isinqumo sokunganivoteli, ningenza njani? Ngoba phela nihleli ngamavoti ethu eParliament. Uma ngabe ama-South African ethatha isinqumo sokwenza iqembu elilodwa elizokhuluma ngama-South African kuphela, nina niqhubeke nala wena amaqembu a-accommodate wonke umuntu, niyokwenza njani? uNkulunkulu uyalalela, uNkulunkulu uhlale khona, uNkulunkulu akaphambani nabantu. uNkulunkulu uhlale eseka abantu. Sizonikhulekela la entabeni, siyacela ukuthi wonke umuntu onethuba lokukhuleka asikhulekise, sizoyinqoba lempi. Sanitshela siyiqala lento bafethu, sasho siqala sathi lokhu kuzophumelela. Ngaze ngasho ngathi umuntu ongakholwa ukuthi abantu bokufika bazohamba akalinda buki. Nama-Nigerians labathi angeke azahambe, wayekeni ayophuma egxuma phezulu emabhilidini ngelinye ilanga. Lapho-ke umuntu engasezukuhamba-ke seyosaqazeka phansi avele abe utamatisi. Yabo, abantu abahambe kusenesikhathi, abahambe kusenesikhathi abantu. Yabo, uNkulunkulu uyasithanda. Yo, uNkulunkulu uyasithanda, uNkulunkulu uyalithanda lelizwe, uNkulunkulu uthanda okuhle, uNkulunkulu weseka okuhle ngaso sonke isikhathi. So-ke ungathi uma ubona izinto zingasheshi noma zingahambi ngendlela wena ofisa ngayo bese ubona ngathi uNkulunkulu akekho. uNkulunkulu ukhona, and lelizwe sizolinqobela. Nazi insizwe zizomemeza yena omdala weyinsuku, yizo zonke lezi, yizo zonke lezi zizomemeza uNkulunkulu. Akudlala, ngisho inyoka ikwazi ukusondela la, ngisho isilwane esiyingozi asikwazi ukusondela la, ngoba naso qobo siyaqonda, kwasona qobo isilwane siyaqonda ukuthi lokhu okwenziwayo kuphathelene nempilo. Naso isilwane impilo siyayithanda. Ngisho inyoka eqhamukile la ebusuku ifike yajika ngoba ifice uNkulunkulu la esikhona khona. Yeah. Ifice uNkulunkulu, ithe iyafika yafica uNkulunkulu la yavele yajika abuyele emuva. Umoya omubi obucabanga ukwehla emndenini yalezi insizwe ezilalela entabeni emagcekeni oyise, lowo moya lowo kuhlakazekile ngoba uthe uyafika lowo moya, wafika uNkulunkulu wawutshela ukuthi ingane yala ekhaya isentabeni iyokhuleka elizwe, iyolwela izwe. Ngakho akufanele kube khona into embi eyenzeke emndenini wenu. Ukukhuleka kwensizwa ukhuphukela entabeni kuyayilungisa izinto eziningi. Sizoze siphume kusasa ngesonto, abasenethuba lokuza sicela beze sizokhuleka entabeni. Woza necansi nomqamelo neingubo eziwu2, uphatha ama-tracksuit ozowagqoka mawulala, kuyabanda. We will conquer, we will win, we will defeat the evil that has engulfed this country for so many years. We will conquer. We will diffuse the evil spirits that have engulfed our leaders, so much so that when people are saying they have a problem with illegal immigrants, instead of our government fixing that, they want to fight with the citizens of this country. We love our leaders. We will always respect our leaders. We will never call out our leaders in a wrong way, but we always beg them also to pay attention to what we say and the genuine concerns for South Africans. Illegal immigrants must leave this country. They must go and fix their papers. Then they can come to the country to visit or to come and do work that South Africans can't do. If the government is failing to do this, we will take over the government. We will mobilize our people in South Africa to become one and stand together and create their own government and write their own constitution and write their own rules and deploy people that are not in politics to go and work for them. So that parliament is going to be, for the first time after 1994, since 1994, is going to be a parliament of true patriots, and we are giving our leaders a chance to change. We are begging our leaders to grow a conscience
because if they don't do that, we will mobilize ourselves
as South Africans.
sibatshela ukuthi asisayidingi ke ipolitiki,
asisawadingi lamaqembu awu-600 and something.
sidinga iqembu elilodwa elizolalela abantu okuzobhalwa nje i-constitution ukuthi ama-resources alelizwe awangaphumi kulelizwe.
Yonke into enhle ekulelizwe
akeyiqale isize abantu base-South Africa. Yini enzima ukwenza lokho?
sizothandazela lokho nje
lapho ukuthi abantu ake bebuye lo unembeza bebe ngamadoda. Khona abaholi abayoguga
manje ongakazi umuzwe ekhuluma ngento okuthiwa indoda. Ngisho bona laba bathi we are unskilled.
We were xenophobic, we were barbaric.
Isikhothi into lezenzani. You've never heard them talking about men, mentioning men in their speeches. How can you be a leader and not consider men? Because men are the people that
can protect the country.
Not le politikeni yokuthi kuthathwa abantu besifazane boyobekwa laphana phambili bethukwe
benziswe zonke izinto kulalwe nabo ngenkani bencinkiselwe ukuze benikwe ikhundla alale nabo bonke
abantu umuntu eParliament ngoba kufanele anikezwe isikhundla ayoba uDeputy bani
noma ayoba yini uxhashazwa abantu.
Amadoda kumele afukuze, amadoda kumele asebenze kanzima.
Abantu besifazane ufuna besebenze mabethanda, uma ngabe futhi
nakhona bethanda ufuna benikezwe imisebenzi obululu ukuthi bayenze,
kungathiwa kuqanjwa manga ukuthi umuntu wesifazane wonke umsebenzi angakwazi ukwenza. Uma ngabe kunjalo pho
asigijima ngani sonke lapha entabeni. Lokhu kuqanjwa manga kubulawa
izwe thina sifuna izwe libuyele endaweni yalo la khona umuntu wesifazane ehlonishwa, anikezwe indawo ephephile, anikezwe indawo engcwele, anikezwe indawo enokuthula, anikezwe indawo evikelekile lapha khona azothi mayenza izinto angagcini eselinganiswa namadoda ngokwenza uma esehluleka bese khonjwa thwabukani ke abafazeni
ngani vele it's a setup.
It's a setup ifunikeza umuntu into awazi kahle ukuthi ngeke akwazi ukuyenza. So ke sizoyilungisa le, sicela abaholi bethu, sicela abaholi, we are begging you leaders, please grow back your conscience.
This country is so much in trouble and it needs you as leaders. And Tina, we are
raising this concern because we want to show you, we want to show you that with all these budgets
are
corner that are not used, imali buyele emuva ku-auditor general ingasebenzanga. It's a shame. Njengoba kuzinketho
nje, monies will go back to
the coffers.
The money will go back to
the coffers unused.
Unspent budgets
will go back.
But people are suffering. People are not getting
water. People are not getting roads graded. People are not getting service delivery. But the money is going to go back.
The budget will not be spent because there is elections.
Everyone wants the money to
come to their pocket or to be used according to their party's manifestos and everything.
Let us stop this nonsense, Bafowethu. Let us stop this nonsense. We are bigger. The country is bigger than us, and we are smart people as South Africans. We need to
come together. We need to make sure that this country gets back to its glorious moment. We will keep preaching this. 30 June is just the deadline, but there is no violence
that is going to happen, and nobody is going to die. And those that are doing these things, and abantu must stop
going to these marches with an intention to go and loot and do the wrong things and hit people and do that. In our marches, since I've started marches for so many years, nothing has happened in my marches. I want you to pay attention. You must not link me with marches that are orchestrated by
politicians and branch leaders and branch chairpersons trying to gain trust in people, and
people who are aspiring to be councillors. Bahambe beye machine,
befike emamashini benze izinto ezingalungile, benze izinto ezingalungile. Thina singamadoda thina.
Singamadoda, we are men.
We are men and we are ready to obey the laws. We are men and we are very respectful, and we will never, ever in the marches where I post the march and say, this is going to be there's a march in Ugompo next week. There's a march in Polokwane. There will be a march in Thohoyandou. There will be no violence in those marches. There will be a march in Soweto, and there will be a march in Mayfair, in Johannesburg. That one I'm not sure about, because I didn't like what I saw there. So the people of Mayfair, they must be very careful of what they do to South Africans, because I'm putting my life in the line for South Africans, and I don't care. I don't care. I really get aggravated when I see those videos where the foreigners have gone to an extent of being confident enough that they can fight South Africans, chase away South Africans, and tell South Africans where to live, where to walk, and where to... This is Western apartheid, and I can't stand it. I can't stand it. I will fix that Mayfair thing. I will fix it. Don't worry. Trust me, I don't care. They told me, Mayfair is dangerous. Even in Pietermaritzburg. When I organize the march in Pietermaritzburg, because I will organize it, I will go to those roads where when these people, when we want to come and march in Pietermaritzburg, they are stopping us. Our own people, our South Africans. Abantu bala South Africa. Masithi sifuna ukuyomasha eMaritzburg, bayasivimba. Basivimbela ukuthi ngathi mina sifuna ukungena kulowa mgwaqo okuthiwa ungena. Ngifuna ukubona mina mangena khona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Even naseThekwini kwakuhlale kwenziwa amamashi inqwaba, imashi yenza amamashi eThekwini njalo amaphoyisa abavimba ukuthi baye point. Ngabathatha abantu abayise point kwafubani lapho. eGoli bekuthi bangimashwa abaphoyisa engafuni kiwe eHillbrow, ngabathatha abantu ngabayisa lapho ubani owafa ngoba kufanga umuntu. Esikhundleni salokho khona umuntu ongawadayisanga ama-drugs ngalelo la. So sicela ukuthi kungenziwa lokhu bafethu, kungenziwa lokhu ukuthi sithi masifuna ukuyomasha endaweni kube khona abantu bakithi abangafuni kwenzeke lokho, ngoba bazi ukuthi ama-drug dealers lagcwele lapha eMaritzburg ku-West Street abangani bawo. So ke sizozenzela thina eyethi imasha engahlanganisi yonke lento yo section 4 engena route ezovela iqonde lapho kunenkinga khona, bese sibiza amaphoyisa athi amaphoyisa ake nibuke ukuthi yini esikhuluma ngayo la. This is our country. We are men. We are compelled by being men to protect this country. We are compelled by being men to be leaders. As we were born and came to this earth, our first job as men is to protect this country, is to protect its contents, and is to protect nature, women, children, and the rights of everyone. So we will never stop. We will never stop. We are coming to the whole of South Africa. This is not going to stop, and we are not going up. I don't think the government must make a mistake of trying to arrest us, because then there will be a contradiction of what the government is saying about the rights of people and their manifestos and promises that they've promised the country and the people. So sizokwenza isiqiniseko lokuthi lelizwe liyalunga. Remember, I told you, I said lelizwe lizolunga, lelizwe liyolunga ngeinsizwa, and mhlali lunga ngiyobe ngingomunye wabantu yobe ehola lezo insizwa eyilungisa lelizwe. So ke siyabonga mfethu, sayoshaya umthandazo wasekuseni sekusile. Sinikhombisa nje ukuthi how authentic we are. We don't go and do makeups and size kunina esicwebezela sesinjanjani. We are showing you the real us. We are living a real life. We are living an honest life, and we are always true to what we do and stay true to the cause, and we will never desert our people. We'll make sure ukuthi wonke umuntu egcineni, if this country is fixed, wonke umuntu uyohlomula kulona. Nalabo abacabanga ukuthi siyadlala nabo bayohlomula khona. Siyabonga kakhulu ingane zothu, uNkulunkulu anibusise. Siyacela ukuthi sikhuleke sonke, sikhulekele lelizwe sonke. Sicela sikhuleke ukuze lelizwe lizophumelela. Inkosi iyanithanda, nigcine kanjalo. Thank you.